Today we will be doing some of our screams. Here is just the scream that I do just for fun. Fun. Oh, this is my fun scream. Here's a mating call. That last one was like... I missed.